Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 1st March 2026. Title of Murli. Celebrate the true holy of being colored by God's company and of the combined form. Bap Dada said, "All of you children are holy souls. You have gathered here to celebrate Holi. Contemplate for a moment, in which color have you holy souls been immersed so that you have become pure? The greatest color of all is the company of God, the Father's company. While other colors are merely transient, by being colored with the company of God, you have effortlessly become holy and pure. You are now aware of the many guises of Maya, aren't you? She cleverly attempts to influence you with her own colors. To be separated from the Father is to be colored by Maya." Furthermore, Baba said, "Bap Dada has colored you with his company and continues to color you with the use of divine knowledge, powers, and virtues." You understand the profound meaning of the word holy. It signifies holy, that which has passed is now in the past. Only you truly grasp this meaning and celebrate it accordingly. Therefore, celebrating Holi today means to burn away the holy of old sanskars, latent tendencies. Only after burning these can you truly celebrate. Finally, Baba concluded, "Remember the Father and observe how He is coloring you with this spiritual hue, through which you have become holy swans. Holy swans are those who possess the divine power of discernment. Let there be but one constant pursuit, I must now become karmatit, beyond the bondages of karma, and return home." To the powerful souls who repeatedly bring these words into their awareness, to the holy children of Bap Dada, congratulations for Holi. Blessing for today. May you be soul conscious and have love and pure and positive feelings for all souls. Details are: just as you have feelings of love for the souls who praise you, in the same way, have just as much love for any soul who gives you teachings through signals. Have pure and positive feelings that that soul is really your well-wisher. Such a stage is said to be of soul consciousness. If you are not soul conscious, there is definitely arrogance. Someone with arrogance is never able to tolerate an insult. Slogan is, "Stay constantly lost in God's love, and the world of sorrow will then be forgotten." Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Make your foundation of faith strong and remain constantly fearless and carefree. When your hand is in the hand of someone senior, the stage of you, the junior, is then carefree and free from worry. You children have the faith that Bap Dada is with you in every action and that in this spiritual life, your hand is in his hand. This means that you have surrendered your life to him and that everything is therefore his responsibility. Hand over all your burdens to the Father and make yourself light, and you will remain constantly in a carefree stage. Everything will then be accurate.